If you're looking for an affordable fastback top for your 97 to 06 TJ, this Bestop Trektop NX is a good option to take a look at for a few reasons. It's very popular, it's a complete kit with all of the hardware, it's OEM quality, and it's priced very well. A lot of other soft tops that we offer on our site are designed to be replacements, so they don't have all of the hardware that you need when you switch over from a hard top to a soft top. This one includes everything that you need, and that makes it a perfect way to completely replace and upgrade your factory top if it's starting to look a little worn, while getting a very cool fastback look. This top is for TJ owners with full doors, but if you have half doors, Bestop created a replacement fabric kit for them so you can keep your iconic half doors while also keeping a good fit. Now, there is some drilling required with this top, so I'm giving it a 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, but I'll get into the install in just a moment. Bestop makes all of the OEM soft tops that you see on Jeeps right now out of the factory. So you're getting that classic factory black diamond material on the NX. This is also available in a black twill if you're looking for a bit more of a luxury finish and in a different color. This is also available for the unlimited models if you do have an LJ. Factory stuff aside, this is a high-quality UV-treated and mildew-resistant fabric with DOT-approved tinted windows that are 30 mil, which is going to help in insulation. The hardware on this is just like the factory stuff with heavy-duty steel bows and composite hardware. The only drawback about this top is that it doesn't fold all the way back like the factory, but it does have the Sunrider feature with quick-release bow knuckles to save you some time. Bestop also throws in a padded bar that goes across the front seats so rain doesn't puddle up on the soft top. You also have the option of taking the rear and the quarter windows off and turning this into a bikini top. On the site right now, this has an average price for a fastback style top, but this is the most affordable fastback top that comes with all of the hardware that you need when switching from a hard top over to a soft top. This is about $650, which is a pretty good deal considering what this top comes with. There are fastback tops on the site right now that are about $100 less, and some options that are the same price, but those options don't include all of the needed hardware to get this top on. To add to that, some of the tops are good for a fastback replacement, like the Rugged Ridge Bowless top, but they're not compatible with the OEM hardware, and they'll need additional components. Considering that Bestop makes the factory soft tops for Jeep, you know this is a quality product. I personally think that this is the best choice if you're looking for all of these options, and you're definitely getting a bargain. Like I said at the beginning of the video, guys, this is a 2 out of 3 wrenches because there's some drilling involved. Now, you're gonna need some hand tools and about an hour's worth of your time to get everything installed. First, you're going to assemble and install the door surrounds by inserting the vertical piece into the hole behind the door, and then the top on the sports bar with the knobs provided. Then you can orient the tailgate bar retainers, marking holes and drilling a 1/8 inch hole securing it down with the screws. Next, assemble the side bows to the header with the hardware provided. After, you can put the puddle bar into the provided slots on the door surround and move over to the fabric. The header needs to be installed on the fabric, so you're going to need a utility knife to split 7 holes in the fabric for the screws. Then you can slide the rear bow into the fabric on the other end of the top. Next, to physically put the top on, you have to mount the header assembly onto the door surrounds and to both of the sides and drape the fabric over the vehicle. Secure the sport bar in the front and the rear with the J-hook buckle straps. Windows are next, so I would recommend attaching the rear window first and then flipping the Sunrider feature open to alleviate any tension before putting the quarter windows on. Lastly, you can install the tailgate bar and pop it into the tailgate bar mounts. More details with instructions and pictures are always included in the box for reference as well. So if you're looking for a very affordable, all-inclusive fastback soft top for your TJ, this Bestop Trektop NX is perfect for you. This is Meredith with XT, and you can find this and everything else Wrangler right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.